Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this cordless handheld vacuum cleaner from Silvercrest for wet and dry cleaning. With wet nozzle and crevice nozzle, capacity for dust maximum 400 ml, for liquids 120 ml, with powerful Li-ion battery. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included, of course, we have a manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box. Screws for mounting the base. And obviously we have the USB charging cable. 1.5 meters the length, type A to type C, but not included a power adapter. Okay, you need to find your own power adapter. You need 5 volt 2 amps. Wet suction nozzle, rubber, and the crevice nozzle. Here we have the container, dirt container, max, wet and dry, 7.4 volt Li-ion performance battery, okay? And of course inside just pull and remove the dust filter bag, silicone rubber around. It is very tight at the container, sealing any dust or water inside the container, preventing to go out the motor and damage the motor. I like that. And the base for the dust filter. Inside we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks, alignment, press, and that was all. And then we have the main unit, the on-off switch, I can hear sound when it turns on. So charge it before the first use, the LED indicator at the front, the air outlet left and right. We have some filter inside here, I can see. So the base goes here, and you can have your vacuum cleaner just like that at the wall. Connect the Type-C cable here at the base. It has a gap at the cable. It needs to lock at this plastic inside. Press and lock it. That was also easy. Mount it at the wall, remove, install. We have the release button after installing the container at the main unit. Press the button and release and empty the container. And inside we have the cover at the container, preventing any dust to go away from the inlet. Now let's fully charge it, and of course I need to test the suction power. You can use a 5 volt 2 amp, or you can use your power bank. Red LED is flashing, that means it's charging. And of course at the front we can connect the crevice nozzle, goes here, or the nozzle for the wet. So let's wait until it will fully charge. And after fully charge it, let's test it. Nice and clean. Clean motor, no dust. I like that. Everything inside the container. Now let's clean it. Clean it like new. Now I will use it for wet suction. Before using for wet suction this vacuum, it is better to clean all the dust from the container. (100 ml) water, measure it. And we need the different nozzle. Nice and dry. No water at the motor, that is good. And here water is inside of the container. It's lightweight and portable design, making it incredibly easy to handle and store. It delivers powerful suction to effectively clean dirt, dust, crumbs and even small spills from various surfaces. The convenience of its cordless operation, providing you with a freedom to move around without being restricted by power cords. The rechargeable 7.4 volt lithium battery offers ample runtime for small cleaning tasks, and the quick charging capability ensures it's always ready when you need it. The added functionality of being able to handle both wet and dry messes makes this vacuum exceptionally versatile. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more product reviews and home cleaning tips. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.